first time. The second time, I'll see if I can load it in 15 seconds. Okay? So the first thing you do is you got to do everything the same that everybody else is doing. Same hand, same motion, same time because of how close you are to each other. So we're going to half-cock fire lock. Listen for a click. You hear that? In that position, you can't squeeze the trigger. The weapon's safe. Priming pan's open. I need gunpowder. So I slap the cartridge box and piled a cartridge full of gunpowder. Now, how do I open this thing? You like that? Yeah, that's right. Prime. Shake a little powder in the priming pan. Now this is called a hammer. Put 3 fingers behind the hammer, shut pan. That way the powder stays there because you got to cast the weapon to the side. Everything else, now this has powder and ball right here. Put it in the muzzle. Draw the rammer 2 motions, stick it in the muzzle, ram it all down. Draw the rammer 2 motions, put it back into place. Return the rammer, shoulder your fire lock, and you are ready to go. Fight ready. Begin. Fire. Did I tell you these weapons don't always go off? Yeah, that was a misfire. Now what I do today is I wait 10 seconds in case it does go off. What are you going to do in 1781 if you're facing the enemy? You're going for it. You're going to put this thing down there. You're going to start talking to it. You're going to see what the deal is. We're going to try it again. Fire! On the battlefield, 1 command, prime and load.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I need stronger teeth today.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Are you counting 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000? Huh? All right, here we go. Get ready. Again. Fire. Like so.
15 seconds flat.
I put the cartridge a little too deep. That's hard to bite off like that.